Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to say farewell to my trusty old shed here. I've had this shed about 20 years now. Pretty much anybody that's followed my page, about 90% of the projects that I built that's on my page have been built or fabbed inside this shed right here underneath a tarp canopy. The reason I'm finally going to take it down is the weather is just finally taking its toll on it. You see where I keep making patches after patch. You know, the floor is completely gone. There's almost no structure left underneath where I'm standing. You can feel the floor waving. But it's been a good shed. I've got a lot of years out of it. I built a lot of projects in here, but it's time to say farewell. Now that I got my new garage. But I'm gonna be tearing it down with that right there. I'm gonna have myself a little bit of fun. So enjoy the video. Well, that wasn't good. At least it didn't spray me in the face. So I'm going to go ahead and tie the shirt around it and keep on going. I can't use the back obviously anymore. So I'm just going to use the front end loader to finish tearing the rest of the shed down. So I'll have to just get that fixed next time somebody's open, and I'm going to keep on plugging away at it. what's left of my shed. I went ahead and skipped the part after you saw where I was trying to lift the floor up to see if I can drag it backwards. I ended up having to cut it into a bunch of pieces and stuff like that. And that part's not as entertaining as, you know, tearing the rest of the stuff up. So I went ahead and just kind of skipped that part. But it's all in here. As soon as I get the backhoe fix, I'm gonna crush this stuff down a little bit more to make a little more space. But there she sits. Here we go. This is what's left. Got a little more grading to do. A little more cleaning. Got to move some stuff out of the way. But the next step is I'm going to build a lean-to off the back of the building here. That's going to come out about 12 feet. And that's where I'm going to park the tractor, my ride mower. I'm going to put my air compressor out here so I don't have to listen to it inside the shop every time it kicks on. But one step closer. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.